Hi, today I'm going to teach you how you can use AiTrillion to create a free product reward on your Shopify store for customers who can exchange a certain number of points for a free reward. To do this, log into AiTrillion, go to Loyalty Rewards, then to Rewards, and then to the free product reward setting. The free product reward setting basically allows you to set up the free product reward settings, number of columns, the page itself. So it's currently set up to be 3 into 3 columns. So if you want it to be 4 into 4, or you want it to be 2 into 2, you can set it up. You can change the title, the buy now language setting, as well as the colors. Once you're satisfied with your settings, you do need to click save or update, as the case may be, and copy this short code, this basic code piece that is illustrated here, and paste it onto a page in Shopify. You can then add that page to your navigation structure if you want to make it public. Otherwise, you can keep it as a hidden page. Let me show you the page that I have created on my demo store. So this is the page that I have created on my demo store. I did add it to the navigation, and this is what it currently looks like. It's got 4 products that were created on a demo. Now let me show you how to add products to the free products page. To add products to the free products page, go back to AiTrillion, and right above free product reward settings, you will have create the free product reward. So click on that. On the free product reward setting, click on add new reward. And then it'll ask you for a product ID. It is very easy to get this product ID. So basically all you have to do is go to Shopify, go to your products list, and let's say you want the product ID for the black bean bag. Click on the product, and this number that comes up here is basically the product ID. So you can right click, copy, and then go back to your free product reward settings and paste it in the product ID section and search. That should bring up the details. You then have to enter a total number of points you would like your customer to claim to get this reward. So let's say I want him to be able to claim 150 points. You can choose an image if you want to choose an image. Otherwise, if you don't want to choose an image, you can avoid it. But we do suggest you choose an image. Otherwise, it should bring up the image that the product itself has. Once you have made all your settings, you need to put in a reward heading if you want to change it, or a headings bottom statement if you want to change that. Once you're satisfied, click save. And that is it. Your free product reward has been created. It shows in the free product reward section. You can edit it from here. And if you go to your free products page and refresh the same, you will see that for 150 points, the black bean bag is available. Do remember that once you have created your free product rewards, the customers can only redeem the rewards when they log in. So I have logged into my demo store. I'll go back to the free products page. And on the free products page, I will now see under the product that I created a buy now button, which can be clicked. And on that, 150 points from the customer's kitty would be reduced in exchange for the black bean bag. That is how you set up a free product reward. If you have any questions, you can email support@aitrillion.com, or you can log on to www.aitrillion.com and check out our live chat feature as well as our knowledge base under resources. Thank you so much for watching this video, and have a great day.